According to a recent report by Inverse, Calpay's new company Nothing is aggressively poaching former OnePlus staff, and as of now, 70% of the software team is from there, along with 30% of the hardware team. But while this report is not exactly official information, Calpay himself welcomed Kyle on board, who was the former CMO of OnePlus. Kyle will be the vice president for Nothing in North America, leading to the launch of the highly anticipated Nothing Phone 2. Unlike last year, the new Nothing Phone 2 is coming with the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset and will arrive on US soil as well. Given Kyle's success with OnePlus and T-Mobile in the past, it's no wonder Calpay wanted him in his company. Perhaps Nothing wants to cater to tech enthusiasts like OnePlus did at first. After all, old die-hard OnePlus fans mostly agree that the company has lost its mojo over the few years and has opened up space for other companies like Nothing to appeal to tech enthusiasts. Don't know how OnePlus will be feeling about it, but it's great that there is a company that is going to be the spiritual successor to OnePlus. In times of economic uncertainty and big tech companies laying off staff left and right, there's room for people working with AI. After all, AI is all the craze lately, and big corporations don't want to be left behind. It seems now Apple is following the footsteps of other tech firms and has opened a total of 176 new positions related to machine learning and artificial intelligence. Pocket reports that 68 of those positions are within the Siri department, 52 will work on iOS, and 46 will work on macOS. Other jobs will require working with more than one product. Apple isn't keeping a secret either. During the most recent earnings call, the company spokesperson said that they are approaching AI in a deliberate and thoughtful manner. Inside sources say that Apple has restricted the use of AI chatbots to prevent release of sensitive information. Apple has scheduled a special event on June 5th focused on AR/VR. We might get to hear something on the AI plans as well. Motorola will unveil a couple of flip-style vertical folding smartphones on June 1st, 2023. It's believed to be called the Razr 40 and the Razr 40 Ultra. Rumor claims that the 40 Ultra will be called as Razr Plus for the US market, and they have now been substantiated by reliable leakster Evan Blass, who said that the smartphone will be launched as Razr Plus in the US market and Razr 40 Ultra in the rest of the market. Evan Blass also leaked the official marketing material for it. Accordingly, the leakster also posted a couple of videos showing different cases for Razr 40 Ultra's cover screen, which is rumored to be measured at 3.5 inch diagonally. You can watch them here. Motorola has yet to give any detail about the Razr 40 Duo, but you can check the leak specs. The smartphone will be powered by 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset with 3640 mAh battery with 33 watt charger. Android 14 beta is already available for some smartphones, and Google has pushed out a second beta update, so people have time to play around with the Google's upcoming OS and explore some new features. It now appears that the search giant is planning to make screen recording a more privacy-oriented feature. Currently, the screen recording functionality on stock Android allows users to turn off sound recording and hide touches. The new screen recording will allow you to limit the recording to a single app or hide sensitive information like notifications as you're recording. Michelle Raman of XDA shows how these two things work in Twitter. As you tap on the single app screen recording, a carousel will your recent recording app will show up. The full list of apps is also available. Accessing the app while recording will turn the screen black while you return to the app. Some Android overlays already offer some privacy related features to screen recording, such as Samsung's One UI, but this time we can see it work natively on Android. Nokia introduced the Nokia C22 smartphone during MWC in February. The brand has now launched the device in UK, is planning to bring it soon to the Indian market. According to recent reports, as per a Hindi report from 91 Mobile, the C32 will make its debut in India in May 23. This implies the Indian market will see the phone launch soon. The pricing is reported to be around Rs 9999, but it remains to be seen. It's an introductory price. The arrival of the phone within that price range will create excitement for existing Nokia customers and brand loyalists. The Nokia C32 has a 6.5 inch HD plus screen with 20:9 aspect ratio. It comes with Unisoc SoC. It's coming with 4 GB of RAM, 128 GB of internal storage, and you get RAM expansion up to 32 GB. It comes with Android 13. There's a 50 megapixel main camera and selfie cameras 8 megapixel. Comes with 5000 mAh battery with 10 watt charging.